Hello, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be our first recipe video on this channel, and we are making this very healthy zobo drink. It's very nutritious, very easy to make, and I believe you're going to like it. All right, so let's get started. Now here are the things that I use to make my zobo. Okay, so of course the first is our dried hibiscus leaves, which is our zobo leaves. I have one medium-sized pineapple, some oranges, ginger, cinnamon, one star anise, some cloves, then I have dates and one cucumber. Now I'm going to start with my dates, and that's because I want it to soak up and get soft. So I remove the seeds and wash them thoroughly until it's very clean. So I'll just put it aside so that it can start soaking. Then I'll proceed to get my pineapple ready. But before I start peeling the back, I washed it thoroughly. Okay, take note of that. Okay, make sure you wash it completely, very clean, and that's because we're going to be using the pineapple peels. So here I'm just putting it in a plate and I'll set it aside. Now one thing you must know is that if you really want to make this very healthy zobo drink and you don't want to use any artificial sweetener, it's very important that you use a very sweet pineapple. Use very sweet pineapple, okay? And also use a lot of dates, because dates are really sweet. That will help to sweeten up the zobo, because zobo can be really hard to sweeten. And again, make sure you're using very sweet oranges. Now for your oranges, I'll advise that you just peel off the skin entirely from the start. Like, instead of cutting it open this way, I think it's better you just peel it off so you get the juicy part of the orange, okay? Because if you do it this way, then you have to start peeling off the skin, the white part on the outer side, and also that center white part, which you still do even if you peel the back off, okay? And then, very important, you need to take out all the seeds. Take out every single seed. So take your time and get every seed out, because if you blend this with the seeds, it's going to be bitter. All right, so I've chopped up my pineapples and oranges, and I just showed you my ginger already cleaned up and cut into small sizes. So here I'm getting my cucumbers ready, cutting them into small chunks, okay? Small enough for my blender to handle. So now it's time to start blending. I have my pineapple, orange, and cucumber here. I'm going to be blending in batches, okay, as much as my blender can handle per time. So this is the second batch going in. My ginger is already here. Then, as usual, I have my pineapple and oranges, cucumber, and now I'm adding my dates. So I'll blend everything, and then I'm going to pour it into this sieve cloth and sieve out the juice. Now all this stress is because I don't have a juicer. If you have a juicer, that would be really quick. Just pour it in and get the juice out. So I'm squeezing very well so that I can get all the juice out. And of course, you're doing this with your clean hands, okay? Now it's time to start boiling our zobo leaves. So I just poured it into my pot. I added my pineapple peels, my cinnamon, my cloves, my star anise, and now I'm going to pour in the pulp from the juice. Sorry, from the fruits that I blended. Okay, so that's the pulp right there. And I'm adding water, just enough water to cook this. Then I'll just mix everything up and cover this to boil for about 15 minutes. Okay, the goal is not to boil and boil forever. Just 10-15 minutes will be enough depending on the size of your zobo leaves. So after boiling, you're going to set it aside to cool down completely. Okay, you don't want to strain hot boiling zobo. So what I'm pouring in here is my zobo leaves that have cooled down completely. Pass it through the strainer, and here is our juice. Now the last thing to do will be to add our juice that we made from the fruits, the orange, pineapple, cucumber and dates. So that's the juice right there. Added it and gave it a really good mix, and our zobo drink is ready. Now if you're a health nut, you can just go ahead and drink this as it is. I promise you it is totally refreshing and there's nothing added. But if you have a sweet tooth, you might want to sweeten it with a little sugar. Okay, and that's it. Our zobo drink is ready. Very refreshing and very nutritious. You're sure of what you're drinking and it's completely healthy. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you've watched up till now, please give this video a like. It helps to push this video and just push my channel in general. So till next time guys, thanks for watching. Bye.